Hey guys, this is Prithvi from FBC and today I'm going to show you how you can get the attendance sheet of a class from the reports module. So when you log in, click on this reports icon and then click on the attendance sheet option. Now you're on the attendance sheet screen. On the top you see these filters where you can enter your class details. So select the category first, then the program, then the course, and then finally the class. Then click on apply filter. When you finally click on apply filter button, then you will see this kind of a data which you can print out by using this icon. When you click on this reset button, the data inside the filters will reset and then you can select the new filters as you want. So when you select a class, there is no data to be shown, and when you click on apply filters button, you see this empty table where it shows no data found. This video explains how to get the attendance sheet from the reports module. Thanks for watching.